Why do 80% of health enthusiasts swear by coriander? Because it's a game changer. Coriander, also known as cilantro, is a delightful herb that hails from the Mediterranean. Its bright citrusy flavor can transform any dish from blah to bam. But coriander isn't just about taste, it's loaded with health benefits. Feeling bloated? Coriander can help with digestion. Got a cold? Its antimicrobial properties might just save the day. Plus, it's a great source of vitamins A, C, and K. You can whip up delicious dishes like coriander chutney, cilantro lime rice, or even a refreshing coriander lemonade. The possibilities are endless and oh so tasty. So next time you're in the kitchen, sprinkle some coriander magic into your meals. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below with your favorite coriander dish, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Cravery in the Kitchen. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!